Hello friends, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. I am fine. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and I can presentation my channel. This video is very important. What is the Google Ads for YouTube? Google Ads for YouTube. Google Ads for YouTube. Google Ads for YouTube, also called YouTube Ads, are short videos advertising that appear on YouTube. Before and during YouTube videos, there are a few different YouTube ad format and including skippable ad, in-stream ad, non-skippable in-stream ad, bumper ad, in free videos ad. Skippable in stream ad are probably that YouTube advertising you most use in scene. The videos appearance before, during or after YouTube videos. They can be used to 50-second longs, but after 5 seconds YouTube use have the option of skip the readings for the ad. Non-skippable stream ad. The similar to skippable stream ads, non-skip the in-stream ads appears before, during, or after YouTube videos. They only difference it is them name in place. They contain skippable. YouTube must be watched either 50-second ads to get to their videos. Bumper ad. Just like the other in stream ad, bumper ad show up before, during, or after YouTube videos, but you can only be up to 6 seconds long. Their short form content cannot be skipped. In-feed video ads. Then playing for a few seconds during others YouTube videos. Others YouTube videos in feed video ads are more like regular YouTube videos. Their appearance in YouTube search result or the suggest videos alone written content. How can Google Ads on YouTube benefits your business? Running Google Ad on YouTube can be an effective method of recycling new customers, binding brand awareness and engagement your targeted audience. Number 1, reach. Number 2, engagement. Number 3, brand awareness. Number 1, reach. YouTube has more than 2 billion active monthly users, and Google Ads advertising targeted opportunity allows you of filter YouTube massive global audience to reach your ideal customers. Number 2, engagement. Video ads obtain advertising a global highly engagement format to capture customer attention. Not only those videos allows for much more effective and expression that had their type of Google Ads. Many which are text only, it is being shows to drastically increase relation rates. According to Forevers, viewers rating 95% of messages when they watch it on videos. Completely to 10% when reading in the text. Number 3, brand awareness. Even if your potential customer doesn't make a purchase after the first view of your ads, sleeping the help, they remember your brand, making them more likely to return where they rates to make a purchase account to YouTube. Over 70% of views say YouTube make that more aware of new brands. People search on Google and YouTube. How to use Google Ad on YouTube for your business. Link your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel. Create an ad campaign. Define your target audience. Set your campaign budget. Make your fast an ad group. Upload the share of your videos. Number 1, follow this 6 setup. The publish your first YouTube ads. Number 1, link your Google Ad account to your YouTube channel. While need both a Google Ad account and YouTube channel to run ad campaign on YouTube. To link them, navigate to these tools and settings menu in Google Ad accounts. Select link account and click YouTube. From there will be guide towards the link and process. Number 2, create an ad campaign. Create an ad campaign on your Google Ad dashboard. Click new campaign. Under campaign will be promote to select ad campaign goal. Choose the option the align with your advertising object, such as sale, website traffic to or brand awareness, then select video as your campaign type. Defines your targeted audience. Google Ad always advertising to fit their target audience by audience, demographic, size and location against. Generate income instant and more. Income instant and more. It also for drive tracking, so mobile device will get vertical videos ad. Because in free video ad show up YouTube search result, you also needed to set targeted keywords for ad type. Finally, you can choose where to targeted interest user on Google Display Network. If you select videos partners, your ads reach can extend to website beyond YouTube. Number 4, set your campaign budget. When selected campaign budget, you get to choose how you pay based on your goal. Option including cost per view CPV, cost per those impressions CPM, and cost per action CPA. Once you pick your rate strategy, you can set maximum CPV bid per view of difference maximum bid for another meets your select. Number 5, make your first ad groups. If you plan to run multiple campaigns, in the future. Organize them with ad groups. Add group always to your make collection and ads that have similarity than targeted audience. You can then set bit strategy for each and add group with campaign. Number 6, upload and share your video ads. Upload your video ads to YouTube channel. Increase ad group on Google Ads account. Click to that new ads button and place the URL and YouTube videos to find ads. A long ad account or link will be able. Select the video. Choose the format: skip, instant ad, no skip, instant ad, and bumper ad, and in feed video ads, and bring your campaign. Thank you, my friend. Thanks. I can presentation my class on my lectures, my videos. Um, what are the what is Google ad for YouTube? YouTube's ad, skippable instant ad, and non-skippable instant ad, bumper ad, in a few video ad. How can Google ads on YouTube's benefits for your business, reach, engagement, brand awareness, and how to use Google ad on YouTube for business, link of Google account, create ad campaign, difference and target audience, select campaign, make your first group, upload it and group. Friends, I can presentation my lecture and my videos, my classes, how to use Google ads on YouTube and reach new audience, and what is the Google ads for YouTube's and benefits, etc, etc. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and your valuable comment. Thank you.